Hello everyone! In today's short video, I will tell you about a new feature that came with the last Kickserv mobile update. Now you can view and edit the custom fields for customers in the app that you already created on the web platform. For example, let's say you created these custom fields for customers in the web platform, and when you go to any of your customers in the mobile app and you click on additional information, you will be able to visualize and edit your custom fields. For example, these are my custom fields, and in commission I'm gonna write 10%, and the number of bathrooms that the technician is going to fix are 3, and I just click on update, and we have our custom fields. If you want to know more about the custom fields and how to create them on the web platform, I will leave a link on the description of the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow us in our multiple social platforms if you haven't. Bye bye now!